Welcome to vlog number 48. This one is entitled Experience Dreamworks Dreamplay in Manila. Hi, I'm Zero Million MD. In this video, we started out at the Hyatt Regency in Manila, where we booked 3 days to enjoy the sights. We ate at Rax Resto, which was not far away. Everything you see here is pre-COVID era. The only reason I'm redoing this video is because YouTube tagged it as reused content. The Hyatt had smaller rooms compared to the other two hotels in the City of Dreams complex, but it was comfortable and much cheaper. To get to the Dreamplay, you have to go back down the lobby and go to the second floor access in the other side of the building. The only other access is through the casino where kids were not allowed. This was the first time that my kids were exposed to the Dino Trux franchise. It was the main reason I started to subscribe to Netflix. You'll find that and other Dreamworks movie themes in this park. It was hard to shoot with a GoPro since most of the areas were dimmed. It was amazing how safe the park was for kids. I actually crawled inside most of the obstacles just to check them out. The Shrek universe consists of a large part of the activities for toddlers and preschoolers. There is a place to buy food inside as well as a mini theater that showcases teasers for other Dreamworks stuff. The cooking class by Shrek and the Gingerbread Man was the most sought after activity. You get to bake another gingerbread man with your kids, and there are easy instructions available. The walls come alive with Shrek, Donkey, and the Gingerbread Man providing the entertainment. There's a chef in front teaching the instructions to the kids. This is a great bonding opportunity with them. They will have difficulty with the kitchen stuff and designing. Trust me, you need your kids' gingerbread man with 2 eyes, a nose, and a smile. It is just awesome for the kids to see and taste their work. We spent the whole day scouring every inch of that park. My kids had a lot of energy. We found a hidden area on the second level that is reserved only for those holding birthday parties. The slides and the hanging bridges had a How to Train Your Dragon theme. It's targeted for children 6 to 10 years old. The Fu Panda stuff is targeted for adolescents, but some of the courses can only be done by young adults. This video ends with us checking out the new wing of the City of Dreams called the Garage. It has games for adults like the VR, and the place has a bar. This video was made and uploaded last 2019, months before COVID came to life. Dreamworks Dreamplay and the Garage has been closed indefinitely. There is still no word from City of Dreams as to when it will open again. For the interim, a lot of Dreamworks animation movies has streamed on Netflix. I will not be surprised if they find their way on the new version of Dreamplay in case it reopens. If you like this video, click the thumbs up sign and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more travel videos. Hit the bell and choose all to get notified when the next vlog will come up. There will be links for checking out the Dreamworks Dreamplay admission rates on the City of Dreams website. And I will include the show notes article, so check out those links on the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. This is Zero Million MD, firefighter, physician, and EMT. Goodbye and peace out.